Hello friends, welcome to my Techno PK. This is the third video of Vlookup Formula in Excel. In first video, we have learned how to use Vlookup Formula in Excel sheet. I'm sure that you have watched the earlier videos of this Vlookup series. If not, please click on the I button to watch it. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Vlookup Formula in different sheets. This video is going to be very helpful for you because I will sum up all of VLOOKUP in it. In the last video, I have taught you how to use VLOOKUP formula in data validation list. So now we will start the video. In today's video, we will learn how to use VLOOKUP formula in different sheets, or you can say how to use VLOOKUP formula between two sheets. For this purpose, we make a new sheet by clicking on plus button at the end of sheets and copy cell from my old sheet like this. Now please adjust the cells from top of the cells. As you can see, now in serial cell I type 1 and employee ID type is equal VLOOKUP bracket open. Now select the serial cell and place comma. Then click on previous sheet named VLOOKUP and make a selection of the table including serial cell like this, and before pressing enter, click on the formula bar and type the column number called index. Place comma, then 0 for false and bracket close, then hit enter. Pressing the enter will transfer back to you in your sheet where you were working. So now we will do this to all of the remaining. We successfully done all the cells to new sheet. Control press D and Control press R can also give you favor. If you want to learn VLOOKUP formula basic, click on the I button for previous videos. Also clicking on my channel subscription button opens the door of learning to you. Learning is very important in life. I hope you like the video and I suggest you to watch it multiple times so you can better understand. Thanks for watching.